Welcome to the Island Adventures, unveiling the best 6 family-friendly escapes. Black Sand Beaches of Greece. Discover the world of Greek myths on this fascinating journey. Take a journey to an ancient land where stories come to life like you've never seen them before. Turks and Caicos. Visit the serene white sands and wonders resort in Turks and Caicos for a relaxing family getaway. Enjoy endless stretches of pristine beaches, luxurious accommodation, and fun activities for everyone. This is the perfect place to create lasting memories with your family. Hawaiian Adventures on Kauai. You'll never forget these family adventures on Kauai. You can explore hidden waterfalls and snorkel in crystal clear waters on this beautiful Hawaiian island. Get your friends and family involved in these amazing experiences. Bahamas Paradise Island Magic. Get ready for a relaxing getaway to the fascinating Bahamas, where you can experience pristine beaches, vibrant marine life, and a rich culture tapestry waiting to be explored. Antigua's year-round beaches. A 365-day sun-soaked beach fun adventure awaits on Antigua's Beach Odyssey. Sandy shores, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life abound. Affordable Caribbean in St. Lucia. Explore St. Lucia's hidden treasure as you uncover affordable family fun. Make unforgettable memories with your family while immersing yourself in the vibrant culture, pristine beaches, and lush landscapes.